And can you use your duck hands as you do them?
Do the I. Do the I. After. Bunnies. Bunnies. Joshua, don't be silly. Don't be silly, Joshua. It. My. In, we. In. That's level 1.
Yay!
He. The A, they. Went. Of. Said.
Girl.
On. Sorry. Then. She. It's. Had. The air there. You. The at that. The but. Went.
Oh, is that went? Have a look at that one again.
When.
We're eating.
One. Where.
Oh, try that one again.
Where.
Good girl.
Level 2. Or. Her. At. A day with. Up.
Make sure you say the word.
Fat Frog sits on the high hill and sips a drink of milk because he wants to get fit. He wants to be an athlete.
Oh, which is the blue level sound pick in athlete?
Did you call your sticker?
Wow. And can you show me the all picture in because?
Did you call your sticker for?
Good one. And it's in August as well. It is too. Well done.
And my birthday's in August.
Oh.
Do you know how old I am?
I think you're going to be 6.
Why have we got 2 of the same clouds up there? Are they the same cloud?
Yes. No.
No. Well, why is that there? That's a G and that's a G.
Because they one's J and one's J and one's G.
One's J and one's G. Which one is J? Have a look. Which one is J and which one is G?
That one is J and that one is G.
How did you know?
That one has the J sound.
Yes, like J to all. What's the word? Gentle. And jet and judge and adjust and exaggerate. And what's that one? Giggle like it. Oh, that's what I learned. It's not just things on the wall. You know them. What's this one? Why is that? What's that one? Did you tell the camera what's this one? No, you were right. It's a, yes, it is a, because look for like cents. Wow, that's amazing. 50 cents. Oh, you're amazing.
Tell me a little bit what you did. Wow.
We write the sentences and decode them.
Yeah.
And then we do the lines and numbers, and then we write it.
That is fabulous. That's a lot of work that you did today.
Yeah, they're at the back.
Keep going. Do you feel really proud of yourself? Yeah, good one. Let me see yours. Can you explain what you did?
We had to do the lines and numbers we had to do lines and numbers for our sentences, and we had to copy it.
Yeah.
And lines and numbers it. And did 2 sentences, and one was a character stamp, and another one was a cookie one, and I had to know about some of it.
Good job. And look at all those fabulous words.
And we use capital letters.
And what do you put at the end of a sentence?
Full stop.
And if it's not there, who ate it?
It's Big Sun Frog.
Especially Frog. He eats it sometimes, doesn't he? He's a bit naughty.
Crocodile.
Yeah. Good job.
And we used stuff full stop spaces, and we didn't get them mixed up. We got them right in the same order. And we did it perfect. Our teacher said ditto.
Oh, your teacher is so proud, and you've got an amazing teacher, haven't you? Hey, she works really hard with you, and you have lots of fun.
She didn't
Miss Emma, she's coming back.
She didn't even help us.
You didn't need the help because you're so clever.
We just do by ourselves. Back was too clever, but he's in the middle row and I'm in the back row.
Yeah, and it doesn't matter what level you're on as long as you're trying your best, doesn't it? Look at that. How did you know that was the A sound pick in 18?
Oh, because we had a card that had the sentences.
Yeah.
Like those in that card.
Yeah, and if you use your duck hands for 18,
Nah,
you can hear it. A, T, E, 18.
Even I'm nearly on the blue level.
You're already on the blue level. You're reading Oh, you're not?
I'm nearly. I'm not.
You're learning. That's fabulous.
I'm on the yellow level.
Wow.
My favourite book at school is Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo.
At my home, I read my easy books there for Preppies, but they're normal books for big kids, but I can read them.
Yeah, and so what other books for big kids that you like to read?
The only books I read is the Spy Kids.
Oh, Spy Kids, they're good, aren't they?
It's just a Spy Girl.
Spy Girls.
And Spy Boy too. No, it's just a Spy Girl.
You do the Spy Girls. My boys used to read Spy Kids, and that had the boys in it. And then they used to pretend they were spies and go find clues around the house. Okay.
What did you say?
Wow. So much work happening in here. What's that dress?
Oh, I can't fit this sentence.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, I can't fit this sentence.
Oh, you can't fit it in? Just try.
Flip it over.
Can you flip it over and right on that side? Oh, there you go. You can flip it over. Good work.
Let's just write the sentences and then we need to decode it so we know. We need to stay and start decoding.
That would be easy. I need to get it better.
Good job. You were so fast. You are very fast.
Show me Emma.
You show me. Yes.
It's just going to do
And this is the A.
sticky.
Yes.
So if we did follow the sounds, what would the word be?
My.
Yeah, that's the whole word. My. Keep going. Ready? Dickens.
What E? We. In.
Oh, duck level 1.
Her E.
You're past level 1. He.
The A. Wait.
Wait. And the sound. So follow the sound. Say the word.
The E. I mean. The A. Where it means when. On. Said. On. So I saw. The then. She. She. Is. Her. I. Had. The. You.
I went there. Or I went there.
There. The at that for us. What?
I bet you could do it. Hold on, let me see. All the way up. Oh, goodness me.
He's probably my decoder.
The E ready.
This is like duck level 7 or 8. Oh, what's this?
To 8.
What is it?
Sandwich.
Sandwich. To take.
Watching it.
Yes, watched. Bet you could do that with you.
The bigger ones.
For all.
Where's the sir? Yes. Well done. Now think, does it sound right, Evan? What if this was an E? Now do it again.
Even.
Even! That's right, and that's why you look at that and think, okay, if it's not and that doesn't make sense, try a different one. What's this one?
Looking. Great. Eyes.
Oh, I'm going to put you right to the end. Surely you don't know all 7 levels.
Oh, yes, he does.
That's 440 sight words.
Oh, I bet I can do all of it. Speedy. Tactics.
What's the word? Put goal in a sentence.
I found some gold. I got a goal.
I got a goal. Why? What were you playing?
Soccer.
Brilliant.
Brown for ace.
What's sandwich.
Easy. Art.
Good try. Yes, if it was a t there, but if it was heart, it would be her R, and that would be all of that would be in grey. So what is it?
R.
Here.
How.
You try. Have a look at it, not me. Now this is actually ow. Oh, that's a funny one. Hour. Not minutes, hours. Which hour do you have? Oh, last two. Yes.
Can I try again? Because I just stopped that.
Words failed me. Just brilliant.